everyone, my name is Marie Isabel, and today I will talk about our project, Lost in Reviews, Flawed or Fair. It is an NLP framework for a reliable hotel review booking platform. Now, over here we have our research overview. We have number 1, our background and motivation, number 2, our research goals, number 3, our technical methodology, which includes NLP database, chatbot development, UI, UX design, number 4, demonstration, and number 5, we have our expected results and contributions. One of the biggest problems in our project was the fact that we had a lot of confusing reviews. What exactly is a confusing review, however? Well, if you see over here, you notice that we have a high rating for a review, but it has a very poor review. And this can leave a lot of travelers very confused. Now, these reviews lack clear insights. Without sentiment indicators, every single person must interpret reviews on their own, which makes the process very slow and very inconvenient. And also, it is very wasteful of time and impractical. Imagine going review by review, hotel by hotel, just trying to book for your trip and it taking hours. Now, for this project, I want to make very clear that we understand our research objectives. So number 1, we want to develop a comprehensive database with tagging capabilities, which is based on constructing a structured database that enables the use of tags for hotel comments, facilitating efficient categorization and user-friendly navigation. We also want to implement an NLP-based chat box for hotel recommendations. So essentially, it would be design and deploy a natural language processing chat box that analyzes hotel reviews and provides personalized recommendations to users. Finally, we wish to optimize user experience and tag-based search functionality in our project. We have to utilize it. We deliver a streamlined and intuitive user interface that presents tags, which allows users to quickly identify hotels that meet their specific requirements.
Hi, my name is Ling, and I'm gonna talk about the tech preparations. First of all, we're gonna call the API from Light API and start the NLP processing. After this, we're gonna have like the NLP dataset. Next, we're gonna integrate the dataset to chatbot using Define. And last, we're gonna develop a website and also have the chatbot integrated with the website. Let's get the details. About the data retrieval overflow, we have Light API as the data source, and this data source contains all the information of all the hotels around the world. And then next, we discover all the hotel, like fetching all the hotel for the target city. And for this project, it's Taipei City, and then deduplicate by the hotel ID. Next, we retrieve all the reviews of all the hotel we needed by pull all review by patches, and then merge the review with hotel metadata. So it will include ID, names, location, and also the review. Next, for the NLP processing, we have ChatGPT as a tool. So we design a prompt and extraction logic. First, we need ChatGPT to help us analyze the main topic of the review and then identify the aspect that mentions in the review, for example, location or staff, rooms, breakfast. And then we need ChatGPT to have like a sentiment analyze it to see if the aspect is positive, negative, or mixed. And then we need a process to make it become a short text, for example, excellent location, friendly staff, or great hotel. And the result that we have, you can see in the Excel file here.
Here I will introduce our chatbot. In our project, we want to fix one big problem of hotel booking website. There is too much scratch information, like renting, facility review policies, and users still have to read everything by themselves. So we built a chatbot on defect that. Take natural language question, pull hotel data from Light APIs, combine it with our NLP review analysis, and then recommend or compare hotels in a very human-friendly way. In short, this bot helps users 1. Reduce information overload, 2. Support different ways of searching, 3. And use hybrid reasoning across multiple data sources, not just overload and guessing. Our chatbot mainly supports 2 ways to start a search. On the left, user can search through a situation like help me find a quiet hotel near Taipei 101. On the right, they can search through a specific hotel name like 我想看看台北 Grand Hyatt 这间饭店. So the system can handle both exploration when you don't know where to stay and deep dive when you already have a hotel in mind. This example shows the situation-based rules. The user only give a free foreign sentence, help me find a quiet hotel near Taipei 101, Behind the scenes, our assistant extract the location, understand quite a set preference on the notes and room qualities, look into our aspect-based review knowledge base, rank hotel around Taipei 101 based on those aspects. The final answer look like a normal chatbot reply, but it's actually doing conditional search plus review understanding at the same time. The second rule is by hotel name. If the user say 我想看看台北 Grand Hyatt 这间饭店, we already know exactly which hotel they care about. Here's the chatbot focus on, summarizing its strengths and weakness, combining official information with review-based sentiments, and give an in-depth analysis of the single property. So it's not just show details, it's more likely explain what kind of guest this hotel is good for. And follow-up question, hotel level. Once the main hotel is chosen, user can continue asking follow-up question. For example, what are the pros and cons about Grand Hyatt? More pictures about Grand Hyatt Taipei. The system roles reuse the same structured data. Pros and cons come from our sentiment category and review keywords. Image come from the hotel API, so users don't need to open the different pages. They can just stay in the chat and keep asking. And we also support room type comparison inside one hotel. If the user asks what are the difference between deluxe room and private studio in this hotel, the chatbot compares room size, layout, and facility, and extra like club lounge access. These have different user groups, so solo traveler, couples, family quick see which room type is a better fit. And finally, the bot can answer policies related questions. For example, does this hotel provide free parking? Here's a read the structured policies file, and then replies a natural language with the exact rules, such as free parking during the stay, but extra charge after checkout. This kind of questions show that our chatbot is not only a recommender, but also a decision support assistant. They explain detail users usually have to dig out by themselves.
Hello, my name is Tony, and now I'm going to talk about the UI UX design of our platform, Reviewalytic. So when you first get into our website, you can see the main page, and there are two clear buttons that can lead you directly to the chatbot and manual search. So these are two snapshots of the chatbot and manual search look like. And later on, I'll give you a live demo of our platform. Now, let me give you a quick tour of our website, Reviewalytic. This is the homepage, and you can see two big buttons leading to our two main functions, the chatbot and manual search. So let's take a look at the chatbot first. So when you click it, it will lead to the Diffie chatbot. And if you do not know what to ask, or you can simply just click the prompt that we provide. Let's say I want to find a hotel that is near Taipei Station. So here you can see it had generated 5 different hotels. To demonstrate every functions that we create, I will gradually ask questions one by one. The first one I would like to test is I want to make a comparison of 2 different hotels. So I will type, help me compare the first and the second hotel. So according to our question, it will give us overall rating and some comparison detail about these 2 specific hotels. Right here you can see the comparison, and lastly give you a choice recommendation. So let's ask more questions. For example, I want to check the picture of check-in Taipei main station. So here you can see it generated several pictures about the specific hotels we ask. You can also ask some questions related to their policy. For example, can I bring any pets to the hotel? So here it will search the hotel policy and give you the correct answer. Lastly, I'll ask a question related to the amenities of the hotel. Is there any swimming pool in the hotel? According to the reply, you can see there's no swimming pool in the hotel. This is the overall test and the test about this chatbot. Here is a simple checkup about the hotels recommended from our chatbot. You can see the hotel does not have swimming pool, and it also does not allow the pet to go into the hotel. So these evidence has shown that our information provided on the chatbot is correct. So now let's go to the manual search. So this is the starting page of the manual search. You first need to type in the city. So let's take Taipei for example. And then the country code is TW. And then hit search. Here you can see hotels results with sentimental text about the comments. So you can see and review the hotel without even clicking into it. So here there are two sections, which is the positive comments and something that you need to attention. And on the right side, you can see a price that will adjust dynamically according to the hotel provider. And for the booking demo, it's still under develop, so you cannot click it. So overall, this is the Reviewlytic platform. For contribution, we have three main achievements. The first one is we build an API-based NLP sentiment database. Is that we are capable of analyzing reviews and sentiment analysis on the hotel platform. Secondly, we have built the Hotel Recommend chatbot, which only focusing on hotel recommendations and any possible questions that the travelers might ask. We are also capable of providing personalized hotel suggestions. The last one is the Reviewlytic web platform. We not only integrate the hotel chatbot into it, we also develop a manual search to present summarized hotel tagging function. This means that the users can view the positive and negative comments without clicking into the hotel they want to check, which saves time and save the time of making decisions.
So we just finished understanding our project, and in the future we're looking forward to integrate this with other booking platforms such as Agoda, Booking.com or Google Travel, and we're working on a more comprehensive version of the review analysis feature. And last, we hope that this project help researchers and data scientists for their research. For work distribution, we have Tony as our team leader, Harvey as chatbot developer, and then me as an NLP engineer. And last, we have Maria Isabel helping research and complete the document. So this is our time arrangement. We have 3 different phases. From 2024 October to December, we have our phase 1 done, which is project preparations. And from January to September of 2025, we have the system developed. For this phases, we have our chatbot done, the UI UX, and then also NLP process finished. And for the last phases is our finalization and the presentations. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.